We live on trash, dog food, and cigarettes. But we done make sure our critters be eating good. All right, y'all. Come and get it.
Mama, I done told you I want cigarettes on my dog food. How am I gonna eat my dang old dog food if I ain't got no cigarettes on it?
Do hickey do the dad day it darn dog of a darn.
We wakes up every morning at the butt crack of 11:30. Then I head on down to work at the trash factory.
Butt crack of 11:30.
Well, that's just how it is.
Sometimes they just ain't enough trash to go round. But we know how to make it work.